I think I saw a parrot for the first time in person. It's that little red thing over there. Say hi, parrot. Oh yeah, right. It can't hear me. Okay, bye. I'm going to name it Carrot the Parrot. It's over there. Right there. Sorry if you think it's faceless. Oh, you could finally see its face. Yay. It's right there. I'm going to open the window now. Look at it. It's so cute. And I was playing with, I saw a parrot in Minecraft, and now I'm seeing a parrot in real life. What a coincidence. And it's moving. Oh my god. It's so cute. And if you want to go to my location to see it in person too, then too bad, so sad. Say hi, Carrot the Parrot. Say hi. Bruh, I saw you chirping a few seconds ago. Do it again. Please. No honking noises. Please, I need it. I'm kind of broke. I need this for views. Please. Stop thinking, just do it. Stop waiting until I think you look like Angry Birds. Okay, Angry Bird. Oh, never mind. Thank you, Angry Bird.